Hey, YouTube fam. Welcome back to Aquilaresources. I hope you guys are doing well. Today, we've got an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about: guaranteed approval credit cards with $10,000 limits for bad credit and no deposit. If you're someone who's had trouble getting approved for credit cards due to a less than perfect credit score, you're in the right place. We're going to cover 5 credit cards that can help you rebuild your credit and manage your finances effectively. So, let's dive right into it. You've probably seen ads online or received emails promising guaranteed approval credit cards with $10,000 limits, even if you have bad credit and no deposit. It sounds amazing, right? Well, let's unpack this offer. Building credit is important in establishing a strong financial foundation. If you're looking to apply for a credit card with a guaranteed $10,000 limit, there are a few things you need to understand. Firstly, credit card companies evaluate your creditworthiness based on factors such as your credit history, income, and existing debts. Meeting these criteria can greatly increase your chances of getting approved for a $10,000 credit limit. Secondly, improving your credit score can boost the likelihood of obtaining a high credit limit. Maintaining a good credit score shows lenders that you're responsible and reliable when it comes to managing your finances. First things first, let's talk about what a credit card limit actually is. Your credit card limit is the maximum amount of money you can borrow from a financial institution to make purchases. It's essential to choose a credit card with a high credit limit to accommodate your spending needs. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 best credit cards with a guaranteed $10,000 limit. American Express Platinum Card. Our first credit card on the list is the American Express Platinum Card. Now, you might be thinking, isn't the Platinum Card for the elite? Well, yes, but there's also a version for those with less than perfect credit. With this card, you can enjoy perks like no annual fee, cashback rewards, and even travel benefits. Plus, it's an excellent way to start building a relationship with American Express, which could lead to even better credit card offers down the road. Inc. Business Cash Credit Card. If you're a business owner or freelancer, the Inc. Business Cash Credit Card by Chase might be perfect for you. Don't let the name fool you, it's not just for big businesses. This card offers a $750 cashback bonus after spending $7,500 in the first 3 months. It also has no annual fee and a 0% intro APR on purchases for the first 12 months, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to manage their business expenses while rebuilding their credit. Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card. Next up, we have the Bank of America Premium Rewards Credit Card. While this card typically caters to individuals with better credit, they also offer a secured version. With a secured card, you'll need to make a deposit, but it's a great way to establish or rebuild credit. Over time, as you demonstrate responsible card usage, you may become eligible for an upgrade to the unsecured version. Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is known for its luxury travel perks, but it also has a secured version. While the secured card doesn't come with all the premium benefits, it's still a great option for those with bad credit looking to build it up. You'll need to provide a security deposit, but this card offers a path to upgrade to the regular Sapphire Reserve card in the future. Chase Freedom Unlimited. Last but not least, we have the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. This card is perfect for people looking to earn cashback rewards while rebuilding their credit. It comes with a straightforward cashback structure and no annual fee, making it a solid choice for those who want to improve their financial situation. Well, there you have it, folks, the top 5 best credit cards with a guaranteed $10,000 limit. Regardless of whether you want to save, travel, or enjoy the finer things in life, there's a credit card here that suits your needs. But before you run off and apply for your dream credit card, let's talk about responsible credit card usage. Remember, a credit card is a powerful tool, but it's essential to use it wisely. Here are a few valuable tips. Firstly, always pay your bills on time. Payment delays can lead to late fees and even a negative impact on your credit score. Secondly, try to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. So, if your limit is $10,000, try not to have more than $3,000 in outstanding balances. Finally, track your expenses regularly and avoid unnecessary purchases that could lead to debt. Remember, my friends, a credit card can be a powerful financial tool if used responsibly. So, choose the right one for you, keep your spending in check, and watch your financial dreams become a reality. But what about those who have a less than perfect credit history? Is it still possible for them to secure a credit card with a $10,000 limit? Absolutely. There are options available for individuals with lower credit scores, such as secured credit cards. These cards require a security deposit that serves as collateral against your credit limit. With responsible usage, you can build your credit over time and potentially upgrade to an unsecured credit card with a higher limit. Furthermore, several financial institutions and credit card companies offer pre-approved credit cards. These cards are designed specifically for those who may not meet traditional credit requirements but still want access to higher credit limits. Remember, it's important to research and compare different credit card options to find ones that suit your financial goals and needs. Comparing interest rates, rewards programs, and fees can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.